Today I'm going to show you the concept of the quarter in Springfield, right? In English, like this. First of all, this is your figure eight. Okay, good. So it's like this. Dang, man. That's feeling by the beat. So here, this is your figure eight. See, 1, 2. Pinam mo. Set me. 1, 2, 3. Ito. So, ganun figure mo. See? This. So this is your photo. 1, 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is your alignment here. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. That's photo. Now you're gonna do that's power acceleration. This is condor. See this. 1. Yeah. Go on, relax here. 2. This is 3. Here. 3, 4. This is 5 right here. 5. There you go. So okay. Do it together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 5. Okay. That's the conquerdas, right?
Recuerdas ang tawag mo sa